Teachers, are you feeling frustrated and powerless about not earning enough? That's exactly how I felt 6 years ago when I was facing unemployment and non-renewal. But with the help of my coworker, Sandy, I discovered that I could take control of my destiny. I could replace my teacher salary by teaching privately online. So if you're interested in being your own boss, teaching on your own terms, try creating a course for students that you can sell online using your knowledge, just like I did. So if you're looking for the perfect opportunity to serve students while changing their lives, there is a different solution other than teaching in a school, and I will take you through how this can work for you and your family. I've created the perfect guide that shows you every step to exit the classroom. Learn how to tutor in groups privately, find students, enroll them so you can gradually replace your salary as a teacher. So click the link for the free guide and start taking control of your teaching destiny right now. See you inside.